Now, Congress party sources have told us here on India Today that if Sachin Pilot and his supporter MLAs do not turn up for the legislative party meet, they are likely to be thrown out of the party. Raghuveer Meena could be appointed as the new Congress state president in place of Pilot. So, the Congress, they're making it very, very clear that they won't go soft on Sachin Pilot. If he doesn't turn up for the meet that's been called by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, in all likelihood, very tough action will be taken against him. He could be thrown out of the party. Dev Ankur is joining us with more details on this. Dev, even as Sachin Pilot has, been trying to push for his slice of the pie, push for some sort of recognition in the party, the Congress making it very, very clear that no rebellion will be allowed at this point.
Actually, Akshita, Ashok Gehlot, the Rajasthan Chief Minister, is a seasoned politician and he has prevailed upon the Congress High Command in mentioning that Sachin Pilot is getting involved in dissident activities and he's trying to hobnob with the BJP. And that is why late in the night, around 2 in the morning, in fact, a whip was issued. And as per the whip, anyone who stays away from the party legislative meet and is an MLA can face disciplinary action, and that includes Sachin Pilot. So clearly, the party is in no mood to relent right now, and one can expect strict action against Sachin Pilot as well if he stays away from the legislature's party meet, which seems to be the likely situation right now. The meet is scheduled for 10:30 this morning, and what we are given to understand from our sources is that several MLAs will be turning up, which were not there yesterday. At Ashok Gehlot's dinner, they will be turning up this morning, but several MLAs who are from the Pilot camp are still camping in Delhi and have not yet arrived in Jaipur. So it is unlikely that they will be arriving in Jaipur, and the party will be taking strict action against them as per the whip. Akshita?
All right, Dev, thank you for those details. So, Congress sources telling us at this point that if Pilot or any of the MLAs supporting him do not turn up for that meeting at 10:30 this morning, there will be strict action taken. Congress not going to hesitate there to throw Sachin Pilot out of the party.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.